6 things you should do regularly to reduce the risk of diabetes. Diabetes is one of the most common lifestyle diseases in the world. India is among the top 3 countries with about 64.5 million people affected by diabetes till last year. Moreover, it has been predicted that diabetes will be the 7th largest killer in the world by 2030. Diabetes is a chronic disease with no known cure, and the medication available only helps in keeping the blood sugar levels as close to normal to avoid other health complications. But you should know that you can reduce the risk of diabetes by taking certain preventive measures. Simple lifestyle measures have been shown to be effective in preventing or delaying the onset of type 2 diabetes. Maintaining normal body weight, engaging in regular physical activity, and eating a healthy diet can reduce the risk of diabetes. Here are 6 tips to help reduce the risk. Lose excess body fat. Being overweight is a big risk factor for diabetes. In contrast, every kilogram of weight lost reduces the risk of diabetes by 16%. Adopt a healthier lifestyle as opposed to going on diets or starving the body. Small lifestyle choices go a long way in controlling weight and maintaining long-term health. Follow a balanced diet. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and good sources of fat. Foods to avoid are those rich in trans fats, processed food. Complex carbohydrates are rich in fiber and are not highly processed like refined carbohydrates. They take longer to digest and hence provide a sustained source of energy for a longer duration. Keep yourself hydrated. Studies link sugar-sweetened beverages with obesity and diabetes. Cut them out of your diet and the risk of both elements falls. Drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Eat lots of fruits and sip decaffeinated herbal tea to keep yourself getting dehydrated. Physical exercise. Physical inactivity raises the risk of diabetes. Exercise renders cells more sensitive to insulin. Brisk walking does the trick. Low-intensity exercise done constantly over a period of at least 35 to 40 minutes, 5 times a week, should be more than enough to keep your body in shape. Over-exercising on high intensity comes with its own problems like joint tissues, lower protein mass in the body, as well as muscle fatigue, especially when you are overweight. Once you drop some of the pounds, you can be introducing strength, flexibility, and endurance training. Make sure you do that with a trained and certified coach. Stressless. The stress response triggers the release of several hormones that increase blood sugar. Studies show that mindfulness meditation improves the ability to cope with stress. Physical activity and social support also help relieve stress. Sleep well. Chronic sleep deprivation and poor quality sleep increases the risk of diabetes and obesity. Try to establish regular bedtimes. Make sure you get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours is ideal. Not getting enough rest not only affects your body, it influences how well you work and how much you enjoy life.